So, hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I'm the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good, everything is working fine on your side. And like always, I am again back with one of my colleague, one of my dearest friend Ankana for a friendly trading battle. So, first of everything, Ankana, thank you so much for sparing time and joining today.
Thank you, Kunal. Thank you very much. It is a very, we already had a trading battle experience in past also, right? I totally enjoyed that. And it's absolutely my pleasure to again join with you in a trading battle session.
I'm
Welcome
sure.
to my dear traders.
Thank you
Yes.
so much. Thank you so much. And I'm sure today you are going to enjoy it again. So, traders, those who are going to join it for the first time, so let me just introduce everything, like how everything is going to work. So, me and Ankana, both of us, we are going to have a trading battle where two mindsets will be working. She will be using her own strategy. I will be using mine. We will be explaining that what are the things we are taking care of, what are the things we are considering, and then we will be explaining everything to you. In the meantime, of course, there is going to be some additional benefit also to be part of that one. So when you will be participating in this trading battle, of course, you are not going to make some profit, but you will be getting a chance to get some RFTs. Yes, you heard me right. So whosoever will be making the perfect calculation or the nearest calculation that who is going to win today and how much they are going to make will be getting a $10 risk free trade. So to participate in today's contest, I have already pasted the link in the description section. You can pick it from there, or what I will do shortly, I will just paste in the comment section also, so you can pick it from there. Select the name to whom you want to support, what do you think that how much he or she is going to make, and then in the first half we will be accepting the entries, and then in the second half we will be announcing the winner. I will not be wasting much of the time on this conversation. I will be explaining it again, but before that I think we should kick off the session. So again, very warm welcome to everyone, very warm welcome to Ankara. And Ankara, my quick question to you: which
Yes.
strategy you are going to pick?
So Kunal, last time as I can remember that I choose a strategy from expert level. So
Mhm.
sometimes we receive such queries, not queries, maybe complaints or feedback that expert level strategies are the only strongest strategy, strong strategy. So today I thought, yes. So today I thought that no, today I will. I think I can choose a easy strategy. Maybe I will choose a strategy from like advanced level strategy. It's a
Okay.
very easy strategy. I think Millennium is the easiest strategy. So I'm going to trade on that strategy.
Perfect. Even I was also thinking to pick Millennium, but no worries, as you have already picked this weapon, so no worries. I will use the another one. So, would you like to give a quick introduction that how your strategy works, so we can share our mindset with the traders also. So that would be great.
Yes.
Just a quick
Kunal, I
intro.
think my screen is properly visible, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so for the traders, guys, Millennium is the very easy strategy. Why? Because Millennium is a train strategy, and it just use two things. One is just okay. Sorry, I think it has been applied. Yes. So, Millennium consists of two part. One is the Heikin, that is one of my favorite candle, Heikin, and the DPO. DPO means the trended price. That's I will explain this. So this is Heikin chart. We all know the beauty of this chart is whenever the price is going to down, it will show its color like red. Whenever it's going up, it will show its color as green. So it's a very easy thing. And the second one is that the graph. If these bars are below the zero level, it's giving you so the chart itself a confirmation, and the DPO is the second confirmation. If the bars is the zero level zero, we can check there is a zero level. So it's giving you a confirmation that it might be not a confirmation, I'm sorry for the word, there might be a good signal for a downtrend. And if it's the bar is up to the zero level, then it might gives you a signal for the uptrend. So it's very easy. DPO and Heikin, this is just the two things, the basic thing. In that way, Millennium the strategy works.
Even I am also agree with you, Ankana. Like it's a very nice and easy strategy, and the beauty of Heikenaishi candle. I also believe that with the help of the color, it is also helping you that what can be the direction of the market. So red
Yes,
means
yes,
market down, green market up. So I think I'm totally agree with you that is a very easy strategy. And traders, before we'll kick off the conversation, before we'll start taking some trades, so a couple of important points I want to share with you. So it's the financial market. There is a possibility of partial or fully capital loss. So please make sure you take full, precaution. You learn about that thing. You learn about financial market and then start making investment. Because I believe learning and then earning is there. So you need to invest time also. It's not only about investing money. Apart from that, all the trades, either me or Ankana, both of us, we are going to take. So all the trades, we will be responsible for our own trade result, and everything is going to be depend on her or my experience. And third thing, these are just some technical mathematical calculation based technical tools, so they are not going to promise 100% accuracy. So considering that thing, do not invest a huge capital in a single trade. This is I want to suggest. And last thing, even though this session is live, but there is a telecast gap which lies between 30 seconds to 1 minute. So I request you, please make sure do not follow the copy trading, because this session is active hardly for next 30 to 35 or 40 minutes. But after that, of course, you have to trade. So just learn the strategy, practice that on your demo account, and then you are feel free to take it to your live account. And at the same time, there is a possibility, because US market is about to open, so we might face some volatility, and we will be facing some negative results. So please take care of these things. And let me introduce my weapon also. So my weapon set is going to be considering rodeo. Let's go for a rodeo strategy. Even though like there is a mindset that expert level strategy, so there is going to be huge profitability. So what I'm planning to, so I will be trying to break out this stereotyping. So a few trades I will be trying to take with the rodeo, and in the middle, if I'll get some time, so I'll try to pick one strategy from the starter level. So let's see how exactly it works. And if I'll give a quick introduction about my rodeo strategy, so all we are just going to work on three basic things: Heikenaishi candles, stochastic, and MACD. So if I'll talk about the stochastic, this is one of my favorite, because that is going to help you let you know that when there can be a price reversal or there can be a price correction. So all we just need to focus on 80 level, 20 level, when the market will breach any one of them. So we will not be taking any trade in the while following the trend. So like in case if the market is keep on moving in the upward direction, so once this level will be breached, I'll not be taking any further trade in the upward direction, and I'll wait for the price correction. So price correction means market will start moving downward. So once there will be entering from the upward to downward, we will be executing the trade. Second confirmation we will be getting from the MACD itself. So either we can focus on MACD line and the signal line, or you can focus on the zero base level. So let me make it a bit more easy for you also to understand. So I will hide these two, and this one I will just switch to the line and make it a bit thicker. Yeah, so that's how we are going to work today. And traders, let me give you a bit more information about the today's trading battles rule. So Ankana, this is for you also. So we will be taking each trade for $20.
yes.
We have the opportunity to use two risk-free trade only. So that is
Okay.
completely up to you whether you want to use it or you don't want to use it. When you want to use it, that is going to be completely your call, because I am a gentleman. So of course, a free hand to you. Okay. And traders, you can also focus. Like I have somewhere around 11,485. And Ankana, can you tell me your account balance also, like how much you have?
Today, yes, yes. Today I have just started with the 242 USD. That's
Okay.
my account today. And to be very frank, Kunal, my day was not trading day was not good from morning actually. I
Mhm.
think you will be the winner. So let's see.
No, I believe like either the lady luck is going to work in my favor or the lady is going to be lucky today. So
Let's see. Let's see.
yeah, so traders, the reason why we have shared our account balance, so on that basis, you can calculate that how much we are going to have at the end of this session. Okay, so let's kick off the session. So Ankana, I would love to, start with you, so you can initiate your first trade, and then we will kick off today's conversation.
Yes, yes, absolutely. I'm just going to take a trade here on down. So this is my first trade, guys. Why I've taken this trade? It's showing a good DPO there below zero level, and the Heikineshi is also in red. But as I informed today, my day is not that good. So let's see. But this is the main basic thing why I have taken the trade. So one thing, Kunal, I always want to point out that it's not about today we have joined the trading battle to show something to our trader, but the main point is that it's not about up or down trend when you are taking the trade, the actual timing. Like I took the trade in a wrong time to, I mean, I'm just trying to give you an example to our trader. What do you think, Kunal, that the point at what time you are taking the trade, that's a very important thing for me. What about
True.
you?
True, I completely agree with you because see, traders understand one thing. It's not only about executing the trade, it's always about executing it on time. A early executed trade or a late one. Both of them are can be ended to the loss. So make sure you are available on the signal, you are available on that specific asset, and then you are able to execute the trade. Because sometimes I believe, like I have found some scenarios, like traders was are used to say that, sir, I was just waiting for the confirmation. The confirmation was, even it was there, but I was just making sure that if it is going to be in my favor. So traders, I just want to share one thing, like in case at any moment if you're not sure, but you think that you should take a trade, the best which I can suggest you, take a trade with the smallest amount. The reason behind, because see, understand one thing, what I believe, like if you feel anxious, take a trade with the minimum amount. If you feel overconfident, take a trade with the minimum amount. If you are sad, take a trade with the minimum amount. If you are overexcited, take a trade with the minimum amount. Because until and unless you are not confident, I'm not saying overconfident, I'm saying confident, do not execute the trade with the amount which you want to, like whether it is $2, $5, $10, anything. And at the same time, when you will be trading with the smallest amount, so there will be two situations, either profit or loss. So if loss is there, of course you are going to wipe out a very small capital. Second thing, if the trade will be positive, first thing, you will be making a small profit, and that will also help you to improve your patience level. And I believe in trading, patience is one of the key which can help you to move to that room where the success is there,
Yes, absolutely. So
right?
it's not
So
about winning the battle or anything. Yes, yes, Kunal, continue.
yeah, like let me conclude it with one thing, like so always traders, make sure you focus on that part also. And like these communication, these battles, we are just coming up just to help you with some different mindset and everything. This is not like exactly that I'm trying to win or Ankana is trying to win. We are just having a fruitful conversation and sharing our details, sharing our skill set with you, so that you will be able to work on that. Okay, just one second, Ankana. So there is a trader. He's mentioning that the link is not working. So let me share it again. I just tried it, but for me it is working fine. Just a moment.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I have shared the link. Like after opening it, traders, I have shared it again. So just try if that works. And at the same time, you can do one thing: just copy the link and paste it in your browser, or you can copy it from the description side also.
Yes, that will work, I think. Last day also that was working. You can copy it from the comment section and use it in the browser.
Yeah. So,
So Kunal,
what's your story, Ankana?
I don't know. I mean, whenever I've joined, the day was not good. But yes, I've joined at that. I have taken already three trade, Kunal, and the two are already positive trade.
Okay,
So
no worries, no worries. Okay, so we
let's,
started getting some respond in the sheet also. So I believe link is working properly. Requesting traders, if any one of you is struggling with that one, just copy it and paste it in your browser side. I'm sure that it will start working. Okay, so let me try to take some more trades also, because I was explaining everything. But Ankara, I just also want to know about your point of view. Like, what do you think, that what's the importance of patience in trading?
I think patience, risk management, money management, these three are the pillar, you know. For a proper building, a strong building, we always focus, I mean the civil engineers always focus on the base, on the pillars, right? So these three things are the pillar. It's not about like every day you are getting profit or not. If anyone is saying there is no loss, I always gain profit in trading, it's totally a false information. We are doing trading financial market, we there is we need to face loss. I mean the market, that's the magic of the market. But we need to understand where we need to stop. Like Kunal, as you inform that profit, you are earning profit, you are very much confidence, you are investing your money, it's absolutely fine. But when the market is not on your favor, it's very volatile, or like I always check if there USA market open or not, any kinds of economic news, so the market is very much volatile, we are not able to understand anything, any proper trend or anything. In that case we are facing loss, then we need to stop. So the patience, that no, I need to keep my patience for today, today is not my day, I will again start tomorrow, that's mentality. And the patient is the most important thing in trading, Kunal. Without patience, might be if you're a new trader, if I am a new when I was a new trader, when I gained profit, I was like, okay, trading is very easy, there is nothing we can do, just up and down. No, it's just for a, I mean, quick thing. But for trading, if you need a consistent profit, or if you want to make trading your earning source, then you have to be a patient. I mean, you should have a proper patient strategy with you.
True, true, true. I'm totally agree with that one because see, traders like this is Ankana gave a very nice point. Like when we are starting, sometime like when the luck factor is working, everything is working in your favor. Sometime you might be able to make some profit. I'm happy to see that, but that luck factor, I don't think that that is going to work throughout your trading journey. So sometime you have to rely on some technicals. You have to rely on your skill set. So you need to take care of those things also. You can't say that I will be exploring last three candles and then I will be considering the next candle could be the same or that next candle can could be the opposite. We are not going to trade on that can be, that will be, that could be. We need to make sure, of course, like that is not going to give you 100% accuracy, but at least you should be sure enough that it can lead to a positive trend. And
Yeah.
on that base, I believe that I suggest that you should be focusing on. I think that we have so many comments also, so I would love to take a few more few comments. So first of everything, hello to everyone from my side and Ankara. Okay, so we have one trader Renuji. She they're stating I lost 10,000 k. I'm so sorry to hear. Renuji, just please share me a bit more information that what are the reasons you like, what are the difficulties you were facing, whether you were not able to use a technical properly or whether you have done some over tradings. Just give me a bit more information so I will be able to give a bit more information about that one. And then there is one trader, he's stating that withdrawal pending. Sir, I request you, standard time frame for a withdrawal is 24 hours to 5 working days. So I just request you please wait for some time, and once everything will be done, so your withdrawal request will be processed. Again, hello to everyone. Garbiji is also talking about the withdrawal. See, traders, I request you, this basic, this 1 hour is only for the trading part. So for deposit, withdrawal, verification, account related issues, I request you just connect with the support team because I believe they will be the best one to help you. Okay, and then we have Bring Peace. Just yesterday, I lost 2k dirham.
Hello, Kunal, I think you are not audible. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Kunal. Am I audible to you?
Yeah, yes. I'm so sorry. I believe that there might be some connectivity issue. I'm so sorry.
Yes, yes. I was not getting your voice actually.
I'm
So,
so sorry. I think like there might be some connectivity issue, and
yes,
as a
yes.
result that we face. I'm so sorry, traders. I'm so sorry, Ankana. Yeah. So let's continue the conversation. Yeah. So just
I
give me
think
a
you're
moment.
reading, you were going to read some of the comments, right?
Yeah, so I was taking care of the comments. Yeah, so bring PG, I request you just share some more details that what are the difficulties you are facing. Garvit again requesting you connect with the support team. Okay, please guide me the best account USDT yet USD account. Durgesh, that is completely fine. Like you can use any one of them, but in USDT you will not be able to make an internal transfer. In USD, of course, you can make an internal transfer to same currency or to the different also. And the deposit, if I talk about, you can use both the payment methods, like whether you can use fiat while using a USDT wallet. You can make a deposit to fiat or USDT, any of them. So that is completely up to you. At the same time, I believe that you should also consider one more thing, that while making a USDT deposit or withdrawal, there might be some charges which you need to pay to the platform from where you are making a transaction. Okay, so you need to consider that thing. And I believe link is working fine. Said hi, advanced RIP for those who think this is a trading and want to choose this platform. Manpreet Singh ji, I'm sad to see that if you're facing some difficulties and you feel like that way, but share your experience, like what exactly the difficulty you're facing, so I can guide you with that one. Link again, sir. I have already shared link again. Ronaldo, hello. Can you please help me in deposit money from Easy Pesa, but the money is not deposited in Olymptrade? Ronaldo, just connect with the support dash en at olymptrade.com. Share the screenshot, payment screenshot with them. They will be looking into that. ये प्लेटफॉर्म कभी भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए लाइव वीडियो नहीं बनाता, यहाँ बस न्यू यूजर्स अट्रैक्ट किए जाते हैं. सर, व्हाट डिफिकल्टी यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट? जस्ट शेयर अ बिट मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन. कौन हो तुम? I चलाने वाले. Okay, so I believe that I have covered majority of the comments, but still traders, if you will be having any more doubt, question, query, you can ask me. You can drop in the comments section. Just a moment. Uh, just 1 second. Yeah, so I believe everything is streamlined. So let me share my screen. So let's see. Okay, so far I have executed a few trades. Things are not going in my favor also. So far 4 trades, one negative, sorry, one positive, three negative. So I think US market is about to open and it's showing these colors. And I think I want to change the trade time frame. And what about you, Ankana? What's your scope?
Okay, so one seven trade I have already opened, and
Nice.
within this, three are negative, and the rest are for positive. One was going on, that was also positive. So, Kunal, I have started with 242 and I am already on 291 USD.
See, I told you. So either I will be the lucky one for you, or you will be the lucky one for me.
No, no, I think you are the lucky one for me. Okay, let's wait because it's a trading. So, Kunal, one thing I also noticed that when I checked, I mean, when I had a conversation with my trader or anything, that Kunal, my screen is visible.
Yeah, it's I have
Okay.
already shared.
So, guys, one thing that we have so many asset available here, right? Sometimes I heard like this that, madam, this is my favorite asset. Like any of the asset, I'm giving you an example. Asia Composite Index. This is my favorite asset. But whatever the profitability it's giving you, whether it's 85%, 80%, you are doing trade on only on your favorite asset. But I always suggest that check the profitability percentage, set it from higher to lower. Might be we have any favorite asset or anything, but ultimately, guys, why we are here? To earn profit, right? To earn some money. So that's should be our main motto. That is why company is providing you so many currency pairs, so many assets. So if possible, my suggestion, avoid this kind of mentality that these two assets are my favorite asset. What I always do, I always check the profitability. Yes, I also have few favorite asset or currency pair, but if I am doing a trade on 80%, suppose right, 80%, suppose this is my favorite currency pair and it's giving me 80% profitability, why should I trade on that? Instead of that, I will check the high profitability asset. Might be these are not my favorite one, but maybe the strategy is working good on that. So Kunal, have you ever, I mean, experienced such kind of opinion from our traders that these are my favorite asset or like that?
Yes, Ankara, like, it's a very common phrase which most of the traders are using, that, sir, this is one of my favorite asset. That is why I am keep on trading on that one. Now, traders, let me tell you one thing. I have only one favorite asset, and that is on which I am able to make profit. Doesn't matter which asset is that one, that whether it's a OTC, whether it's a composite, whether it's a currency pair, whether it is a metal. I don't care about that one. I'm just considering two things. First one, if any data is floated into the market, which we call fundamentals. Second thing, which I am considering, that is the profitability. Of course, I'm not going to execute trade on a asset where the profitability is 10% or 20%. Of course, I need to consider that one. So the basic logic which I pick, all the assets, those who are having 80% or more than 82% or more than that one, I will be taking all those assets in my consideration in my trading day. So two benefit will be there. First one, you do not need to wait for the signal, or you will not be taking, executing some trades while you are getting bored, or when you are thinking that it's been a very long time, I think I should execute a trade or something like that. Because when you are keep on switching your cards, so of course you might be finding signal on one asset or even on the 10th one. First scenario. Second thing, if any volatility is there or any data floated into the market and you are not aware about that, so when you are keep on shuffling the cards, when you are keep on shuffling the asset, then there is a possibility that you might not be even able to reach to that asset on where the volatility is there, and which can lead to some negatives. So this is something which I always used to suggest my traders, that do not stay stick to any specific asset, because there is nothing like this is my favorite, this is not my favorite, on this one I am able to make profit. Yes, you can consider one thing, that what's your accuracy rate. Like sometime they, I'll share one more experience. So like sometime like there are some traders I am finding that I am asking them, sir, why you were keep on trading on this asset? So they are giving me two reason. First one, this is my favorite. Second one, there was the highest profitability on that. And I'm amazed to see that, okay, I completely understand that everybody is trying to get maximum profit on that one, but there are two assets on first of that 93% profitability is there, but success rate is 40/60. On second
Hmm.
one, 80% profitability is there, success rate is 60/40, but still they are focusing on 40/60. Now traders understand one thing: if you are taking a trade for $100, of course you are going to make extra $13, but what about the $100 you are going to invest on that one?
Yes, true, true.
So to make additional extra 13, you are going to put stake 100 on that one. I don't think that that is going to be a favorable calculation. You need to focus on, right? And let me take a few more comments. Okay, so uh, just one second. Manpreet ji, I believe that we had a conversation regarding that. Like you are having some verification issue on any of your friends' account. I request you, the support team will be the best who will be able to help you with that one. So just connect with them. क्यों नहीं हो रहा है उर्दू में बात करें? Karwan ji, I'm so sorry. Like today, the session we are catering, that is for the English speaker community. So I'm so sorry. I'll not be able to talk in Urdu or Hindi. But if you're comfortable in that one, every Tuesday, Thursday, 4 to 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time, same channel, we are conducting sessions in Hindi or Urdu also. And apart from that, we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages on this channel. So traders, if you are comfortable with some another languages like Arabic, Thai, Portuguese, Indonesian, then of course you can explore the playlist and you can join as per those timings. And at the same time, requesting you again, please make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So whenever we will be coming live, everything should be ready and we will be able to help you. And let me tell you, Ankana, so I am back with my trading results. So let me show you. Okay, so I have taken a few more trades and things are going in my favor. I took 4 trades three are already positive, and the fourth one is also looking good.
Okay.
So now think like I started somewhere around 485 or 485, and I am somewhere around 516. So now
Wow.
my capital is also doing fine.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, traders. So as I have promised that I will be using a different strategy also, just to share more insight about that one, and just to break that stereotyping that expert strategies are going to make more profit, and these one are not going to make much profit. So I have applied a starter level strategy named sliding on averages. In that one, simple moving average is going to be my weapon set with the frequency of 60 and 4. I will be considering that one whenever there is going to be intersection of the lower frequency with the higher one, whichever is going to be the direction of the lower frequency, that can be the direction of the market. Now why I'm saying that can be, because as I have already mentioned, technical based calculation, mathematical based calculation, technical tools, so no 100% accuracy is promised, so you need to focus on that one. You need to consider that part as well. Okay, so Angana, what about you? How's everything going on your side?
No, the last few trades were not good. I was on 292 USD, but right now I'm on 270. Let's
Mhm.
see. Last four trade, one was risk free trade, and one was positive, but two were negative trade.
But
So
I think
Kunal,
like
one
everything.
thing, yes, please.
Yeah, please go ahead. You were saying something.
Kunal, one thing that I would like to, I mean, explain to the trader that this is a trading battle. It's a friendly battle, right?
Mhm.
We joined here, so our main focus is like traders see that we always faces negative trade. If you check my trade history or
True.
Kunal's trade history, when we receive your complaints or feedback like that Olymptrade is doing something, so why we arrange this kind of live session? It's not recorded, you can check, right? It's a live session. For that it's a financial market, and everyone, even the employer or Olymptrade, even an experienced trader, whatever you have experience, you will face the loss, and you need to handle this. You need to handle by your risk management, by your money management, by your trading knowledge. But this is the practical thing. To set the practical example for you guys, we are here with a live session, right, Kunal?
True. And see, traders understand one thing, like we are keep on emphasizing on one specific thing, which is a risk management and money management. The reason behind that, that this is the only key to differentiate yourself from a trader and a successful trader. You have to work on that one. That is going to be completely depending on you, that whether you are going to work on that today, tomorrow, day after, but one day you have to look into it. So make sure the earlier you will grab a hold on that one, the better that would be. Because I still remember, like when I started my trading in the beginning, in first 6 months I was making huge profit, but I was just keep on wiping it off just to try to make a bit more higher profit. And at that time, one of my mentor, he told me one thing. He was too direct with me, so he directly told me, Kunal, if you want to do it, then do it properly, otherwise leave it. And at that moment I understood that what exactly he was talking about. So he was stating that trading is like a marathon. Do not take it like a sprint. Even though if you will take it like a sprint and you will run a bit faster than as compared to the another traders, there is a possibility that you will make a huge profit. But once you will be exhausted, mean to say that once you will start making losses, you will wipe out completely. And from that day onward, money management, risk management, goal setting, take profit, stop loss, these are the things which I believe that one of the most important factor which I am always considering. Because trader understand one thing. There is a thing, like there is a basic fundament which we call in trading, that you can make capital if you have capital. And
Yes, this
having
is true.
capital in your trading account, that doesn't mean at all that I will blow up one you know what we call a one deposit and I will make the another one, and then I will blow up that one and I will make another one. That always means that the deposit you have made, you will try to use it in that way that you will be able to use as long as possible. And these are the things I believe every trader should understand. Having profit, having loss, that is going to be the second scenario, but if you will be able to hold your capital, only then you will be able to create a capital. And Let's see. We have a few more comments. Okay, I deposited 30,000 in my account and earned 920. I just made a withdrawal, but suddenly they blocked my account. I verified 4 times and recently verified 4 times. Manpreet ji, as we have already talked about that one, I believe that was your friend's account, not yours. So far, I still remember because I know that we had a conversation on a call. So the verification team, they have their internal checks, so of course they might be taking care of those things, so it can take some time. So just connect with them. They are the like support team is the best one, those who can help you with that. Ashish ji's euro USD is going downside, please check. Ashish ji, thank you so much for trying to help me, but I believe that I have checked your comment a bit later, so I'm not sure we are going to pick anything. They are frauding through deposit. They kept my deposit money and not credited in my trading account. So Mehenji, this is not like that. If your deposit is stuck, so there is any sort of fraud. But let me clear a few things, that we are regulated by government of Vanuatu, and apart from that, we are also member of FinCom. So nothing to worry about that one. Just connect with the support team, support-en@olymptrade.com, and they will be taking care of everything. Just make sure if anything is required from them, or if anything is requested from them, so make sure just you revert on that one, and they will be taking care of everything. सर आप ये तो बताओ इंटरनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन. Sir, there are no specific time frame for that one, and I'm not sure. I'm not the correct person for that one because we are from the VIP department. The major hold we have on the trading part. Rohit ji, how are you? How are you? Yes, I got you. We had a conversation in the afternoon. How are you doing? Uh, Okay. Can I deposit 25 lakh? Is it safe in Olymptrade application? Sir, Sejal ji, you can make a deposit, but I'll suggest make sure you learn about trading part also, because once you will make that much big capital, make that much big deposit, if you will start wiping it off without spending some time, without investing some time, and without learning anything about that one, I think that can create some issues. So I'll suggest learn about that one. After that, you can make the deposit whatever the amount you want to. That is completely fine. Any trade 100% manually, what you say? Totally agreed, but any type trade of 100% manipulated, what you say? Kanchanji, there is nothing like that. Like if anything is manipulated or something, let me give you some information about that one. First one, we are conducting sessions, we are coming live here, we are giving one-to-one session, we are conducting group Zoom sessions, and everywhere we are explaining our traders that's how they can make it better, like how they can improve their trading skill. Second thing, we are always focusing on that trade with a small amount, try to grow your capital. If we want you to make some losses on the platform, then of course, always we will be asking you to make a trade with a higher amount or more than that, right? Third thing, if you think that any of the trade is manipulated or something, then just go to this tab, go to the view code, put the date and time. Now, there is a possibility that if there is a trader who is keep on investing $2 behind every trade, and on this part, at this part, he invested $20 or 200. So that is going to be a huge capital for him. At the same time, there might be a trader who is keep on investing 200 behind every trade, and at this level, he invested 2000. Now, for both the traders, their capital is higher. That is the highest they are investing. Now some traders, they are stating that, sir, when I am trading with a higher amount, that trade is going negative. Now you tell me which trade should be negative. Now some traders will be stating that, sir, in both the scenarios, both the trades will be going negative. So of course, for that one, in one platform, in one account, it should be showing that the quotes are moving in the upward direction. In second one, it should be showing the downward. Now just do me a favor, open any account, any of your friend, any of your unknown, if you're moving to some another country and Olymptrade is working there as well, just open any random account, open the same message, just go to the quote history, put the same date and time, and I can assure you that you will be finding the exact same quotes. Now you tell me how that could be possible. So investing capital, or higher the capital or lower the capital, is not going to decide that whether you're going to make a profit or loss. Your trade, your calculation, that is your analysis is going to make a difference, or they are going to conclude that whether the trade will go positive or not. Okay, and Mahanji requesting you again, just connect with the support team. They will be the best one. Rohiji, I'm so sorry. Today's we are catering the community of English speakers, so I will not be able to talk in Hindi. But Tuesday and Thursday sessions are in Hindi. So if you are comfortable in that one, I would love to have you on that one, and we would love to talk about that. Okay, so I believe that I have covered almost all the comments, and I'm sure that today you got so much time, Angana, to execute trades. I took a few more trades, and those trades went negative. So all in all, like I'm on a 50-50 ratio. So things are sometimes they are in my favor, sometimes they are not in my favor. So everything is like so far it's moving like that one. And let me see. So we got so many entries. So a few traders are supporting me, a few are supporting Ankana. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for your support and greets. We still have like almost 15 minutes, and but we will not be accepting any further entries. Okay, so traders, whatever the entries you have made, we will be considering winner out of them. So let's keep on switching different to different assets, and we will try to find some signals. In case if anything is there, of course we would love to take trades, and in case if not, that is fine, I believe. Okay, so I'm thinking that there could be a signal. Okay, so still there is some time to go. Market moved back from this support level. This is looking good, but at the same time there is this level also. Let's see how the market move, because I believe that market might bounce back, even though if there is going to be a signal. Now traders, let me tell you that why I didn't execute a trade on that one, because there is a resistance level also, even though there is an intersection, and that is indicating that market can move into the upward direction. But this is the direct suggestion to every trader that whenever you are taking trades and you are using Japanese candle, make sure you do not execute, or you just stay a bit more patient while executing the trade, because if the market is nearby to the support or resistance level, there is a possibility that there can be a price reversal or there can be a market bounce back. So this is something which I believe that you should consider. Okay, let me look forward for more and more signals. And
Kunal, one thing also that I want to mention that about the risk management, right? Even in this battle, also we use two risk free trade, correct? I mean, we can use two risk free trade if I am not wrong. But
Mhm.
what do you think, Kunal? That using risk free trade also needs a mental preparation, a proper management. When you should use the risk free trade, right? That's also, I mean, suppose you have a good amount of risk free trade in your account. That doesn't mean that anytime you can just use the risk free trade. So, using risk free trade in a proper moment is also very important to make a good profit. So, I mean, what do you think about that?
True. See, risk free trade is something like it's like an opportunity that where you find that you can make a profit, but you are not sure,
Yes,
right?
you are not
So
sure.
at that time I believe that you should use your RFT rather than using it for all your to execute all the trades. That doesn't make any sense. And at the same time, traders, if I talk about my account, I have so many discrete trades, and this is not something like that I have grabbed within one day. It's been years that I have been trading on the platform, and I am just keep on collecting risk free trades. And these are the things which I am using, that when I believe that there is too much volatility or I need to make some quick recoveries, I do not have that much time to invest or to look around the charts. So these are the opportunities where you should use your RFT. Or the best one, when you think that you want to make a huge recovery, like for an example that I made some losses for $5 each, and I made some like loss of around $80. Then what I will do, I will use my $100 RFT and I will execute one trade. But that should be also with the analysis, because the major focus should be on making profit or recovery. If the trade will go positive, your mission is successful. If the trade is negative, at least that $80 loss is not going to be piled up to 180. So I think that should be the mindset when you are using some risk-free trade. I have seen so many traders that when they are getting the risk-free trade, very next moment they execute a trade with that one. And when I
Yes.
am asking that, sir, why exactly you have done that one, sir, there was like it's a risk free trade. So if the trade was supposed to go negative, we were supposed to get a refund. So that is the reason that I have just take a random trade. Then what I'm just trying to tell them, sir, why don't you use it on that opportunity where you think that the trade can go to positive? Because
Absolutely.
if the trade will go positive, you will be making some profit. If the trade will go negative, of course you have a shield. So this should be the mindset. I believe, as per my mindset, I believe that that should be something which we should consider. Okay, so uh, we have a few more. Uh, okay, so Manpreet ji is having one question, that resistance level is used to change on every time frame. Of course, sir, that is going to change on behind every time window. So whatever the time frame you are using on trading, like if you are using a 1 minute chart time frame, then you should consider the 1 minute support level or resistance level. Of course, that doesn't make any sense that I am considering a support level or resistance level or 10-minute candle or something like that one. Whatever the trade, whatever the chart time frame we are analyzing, that time frame support or resistance we should be considering. And then we have a few more comments. I'm so sorry, I missed something. Just 1 second. Okay, support. Mahenji, just connect with them. They are the one, those who will be the best one to help you with that one. uh, Hello, Bhakti ji. Sir, I deposited amount from my account, not deposited in my Olymptrade, and transaction status is cancelled. Sir, Nidan Ansari ji, do not bother about the status of the transaction. That could be because of server error, or that could be because of low connectivity or anything. So once the status will be updated, like once the amount will be reflected, status will be updated. So don't bother about like whether it's written as cancelled or declined or anything like that one. Just connect with the support team. They will be the one who will be taking care of everything. Okay, so resistance level. Okay, we have already volume indicator matters. Of course, sir, that also help you to understand that which side of the market is having more potential or more volume. हम यहाँ क्यों तंग करते मनप्रीत जी, I completely understand, but they are the one those who can take care of that. And it's not like that, like you are trying to tease me or something like that. I completely understand you need some help and you are trying to knock every door, but let me tell you that which door is the correct one from where you will be getting that one. And yes, Harpreet ji, there is a gap, as I have already mentioned in the beginning, or if I have missed that, that there is a telecast gap which lies between 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade I will be opening right away, that will be visible to you after some time. And that is the reason that we always suggest you do not try to follow the copy trade, because that can lead to some negative results. Okay, so let's we still have almost 2 more minutes to go, Ankana. So before we wind up conversation, Ankana, so anything you want to share, like any thought about today's session or about your trading experience you want to share, like any key points you want to talk about?
Yes, the key point, Kunal, that is the main thing that you already informed the trader at the beginning of the session. That is, learn. If you learn more, you will earn more. That's a very important key point. It will be my humble request to please keep learning on training. You might have so many knowledge about technical knowledge, strategy. If you have technical knowledge, grab some graphical knowledge. You have both technical and graphical knowledge, have some fundamental knowledge, like if you have a knowledge on economic calendar, in like if you check any website like investing.com, you can have a proper idea that why, suppose sometimes we just thought, yeah, why the candle is being red, it should be on green. So if you have that knowledge, no, there is a news on the international market, that is why it's affecting there, how, I mean, what is the duration of the news. So these all are the knowledge. When you have a proper learning on trading, it will actually help you in the earning. Might be for few months, like Kunal already informed, like 1 to 2 months, if you are a beginner or just started trading, you will earn. But to keep trading as your earning, you have to learn. That's the main point I always focus on, Kunal. That's, I mean, this is the main thing in trading: practice and learning.
True, because see, traders, let me conclude like what exactly Ankana is trying to tell you. So that basically there are major four pillars of trading. So the first one, in which one we are analyzing the previous data, we call it as technical analysis. In second one, we are analyzing the current candle formations and everything, which we call graphical analysis. The third one is where we are trying to grab a hold on the market news, which we call fundamental analysis. And the fourth one, which is the most important, which we have talked about multiple times, that is your risk management, money management, stop loss, take profit. These are the things which you should take care of. If you think that any one of them is missing and you will be able to survive, like I partially agree with that one. Like if you do not have a quick hold on graphical, or you do not have a quick hold on fundamental, you might be able to succeed, or like you might be able to survive. But in case if you're not having a hold on any one of them, then that could be a bit difficult. So that is the
Yes.
reason that we always suggest that you should invest some time, you should learn about that one, what are the things you are supposed to take care, what are the things which you are supposed to carry forward, and then you are supposed to look into to make some profits. So this is something which we always suggest: keep learning, keep earning. And this is going to be my last trade, Ankana. So after that, we will be compiling the results. So far, my
Yes.
balance is showing somewhere around 11,645. I started somewhere around 85. So all in all, I have made somewhere around 55 or $60 profit so far. This is something, and I didn't use any risk-free trade. What about you? How much profit you have made?
No, I have used Risk-Free Kunal, two Risk-Free. I have started on 240 and right now it's 287. So it is near about 47 USD I gain profit, but yes, using two Risk-Free.
That is completely fine. But like we were having the opportunity to use that one, so that doesn't matter at all. So you are somewhere around 47, and I am
40.
almost around 60. So we are quite close. So it's not about like who's gonna win or who won the today's battle. All in all, we were just trying to share our mindset, that what are the things which you are supposed to take care while we are
Yes.
trading, or when we are exploring the market, or we should be taking care of. Okay, and let me take the last comment. Manpreet ji saying market में सर ये कैंडल्स हमारा सर है, तो हम क्या पता कब कोई चीज सेल होगी या बाय होगी, ये तुक्का नहीं लगता, क्योंकि देखा जाए तो market unpredicted. Manpreet ji, completely agree with that one, that market is unpredicted. That is the reason that we are using different technicals to
Hmm.
check that what was the previous trend and what could be the next trend.
Yes.
When you are just focusing on last three candles were green, next can be green, last three were red, next can be red, that is the fluke. But when you are
That is
analyzing that what is the ratio of SMA, when there is a market is reversing from the overbought zone, from oversold zone, what are the things which you are supposed to look into, what is the fundamental data, what was the CPI data, what was the PPI data. So when you are focusing on these things, then there could be a better opportunity. uh, uh, there is one more comment. So what is the minimum amount, minimum deposit amount, or minimum investment amount? So sir, you can start with $10 also, that is completely fine, because slowly and gradually you can increase your capital. कौन सा टाइम अच्छा है, 5 सेकंड, मिनट? और Abdullah ji, I suggest that you should trade with minimum chart time frame should be 1 minute, and trade time frame should be 2 to 3 candle, because the higher the time duration, because smaller the time duration, higher the risk can be there. So this is something which I suggest you to avoid it. And I managed to book one more profit, Ankana. So
oh,
my profit is somewhere around like 70-75. And let's conclude today's conversation. Yeah, so Manpreet, my last trade was that was a profitable trade. Let me show you. So that was on compound index at the last moment, not at the last moment, like I executed the trade on this level. Market moved into the downward direction. After that, market recovered and started moving in my favor. Okay, so said, hey, hello sir, withdrawal process क्या है sir? Just go to the payment section, just initiate your withdrawal request, put the account details or whichever payment method you want to use, and that will be done. Make sure when you are executing your withdrawal, when you are generating a withdrawal, make sure you put correct details. This is something which I always suggest. So all in all, I have tried managed to book a profit somewhere around 70-75. So today's winner which I want to introduce, so we received so many entries. Okay, so the winner for today's okay, so I believe that today's winner trade ID is 129110141. So he made a
congratulations.
calculation that I will be making somewhere around $87. So that is the closest one, I believe. And the traders, if that specific trader is still available in the session, I request you please comment in the comment section, so I can just give you a shout out, and at the same time I can confirm that if the trader ID is correct. So I'm repeating it again: 129110141. My congratulations to you. I'll make sure that you will be getting your $10 risk-free trade as promised as soon as possible in your trading account. And before winding up today's conversation, guys, thank you so much for being such a lovely audience. Thank you so much for such an interactive session, and thanks to you, Ankana, also for sparing time from your tight schedule. I wish you a great day, and thank
Thank
you so much.
you, Kunal. Thank you, guys.
No problem. Okay, guys, thank you so much for connecting with us. Make sure you subscribe the channel, and whatever you have learned from me, from Ankana, make sure you practice it on your demo account first. Once you will be able to grab a hold on that one, then feel free to take it to your live account. So thank you so much again. That was your host, your financial expert, Kunal Kapoor, along with Ankana Dubey. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you,
Cheers.
guys. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.